Dogs, you don't get a high five because you weren't part of this.
No, oh my gosh.
Where are you?
Every kitten right now.
There you are, box!
I have
Okay, now Box. Box?
Yeah. You just say box and he's
I'm a cat guy. Like, I'm actually allergic to cats and dogs, but I like animals.
To me, it's almost like you're in a mind box now. Like, he's got you in the illusion that you're in a
But
box.
I want you to be like
Take
Box,
these spots,
you know?
kid.
Yes. Don't be.
Box!
Oh my gosh. You do it like crazy, but you need to make it Box. Like, make it
Box!
Or like
Yeah, you can.
behind your back.
Box!
You can use your hands or you can't touch your face or your body. But like,
Box!
they can do whatever.
Yeah. The white one? No.
Box! I wish I could do that.
I just tried to call my dad and let me show that again.
I love my
Cat got outside,
kids.
so now I have my own room. So I'm just gonna keep it warm.
Yeah, they go like this, man.
My room's huge, so.
Love the dance. Love it.
Back up a little, so you have
On the floor. I have pit bulls that already do
Okay, now
that.
Kai, because we're practicing with the ball.
Yes.
Do you want me to stop it right as you're finished?
And
Like a couple of seconds after I finish.
Xbox.
What?
My dog jumps up on my bed deliberately. So I look back and he's sitting down on my bed. And then I'm like, you didn't just do that, did you?
I wish I was way
smacked
taller,
him
so you
in the
had to talk to him.